Boasting an incredible yet highly exposed setting on the south coast, Waterside is a seaside home reimagined for modern living, with a distinctive contemporary aesthetic. A key objective was to strike a balance between opening up the home to enjoy the 180-degree ocean views and creating a sense of drawing the sea in, while also providing calm, cocooning spaces that act as a retreat for the owners. A deep house, layouts have been carefully planned to maximize natural light, particularly on the ground floor, which is home to the owner's artist studio. Natural, deeply textured materials used throughout add a great sense of warmth and intimacy to the spaces. A honey-colored sandstone wall begins externally and continues inside, drawing the eye to a timber staircase that opens onto the expansive living space overlooking the sea through a vast glazed panel. Anchoring the building to the site, the materials used will weather gracefully, even against the sometimes harsh environment of the home's exposed coastal setting. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.